Timing. Timing is used to take time or speed measurements. To use timing, you need switch type sensors that have just two conditions, on or off. These include light gates, timing mats, push switches, or the magnetic proximity switches supplied with the View timing ramp. With one sensor, you can measure the time or speed at one position with the sensor connected to port A. With two sensors, you can measure the time or speed it takes to get from the sensor connected to port A to the one connected to port B. Use the up or down buttons to scroll until the cursor is pointing at timing and select. Select either timing or speed. Select time or speed at A, or time or speed from A to B, or time A to A. If recording speed, scroll through the sizes and select the right one for your setup. For speed at A, this will be the width of a card or object that passes through the sensor connected to A. For speed from A to B, it is the distance between the sensor connected to A and the one connected to B. View is now ready to record. When a change from the sensor is received, the timing measurement will be displayed on the screen. Speed data is recorded in meters per second. Time data is measured in milliseconds. Press the right arrow button to alter this to seconds. The bottom line of the screen will show the number of samples taken so far. Press the square stop button to finish or cancel any pending timing events, and then the right arrow button to confirm your choice.